Hey guys, welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, I have many colorful of toys here. See, all are colorful and brand new. See, so friends, I will hand drive all of this toy with my hand. So wasting any more time, let's go. At first is a police bike, so I will try this one. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here. See this police bike? This is very nice color combination. There is yellow color, pink color and red color combination. And next one is a momentum trucker. See, this is momentum trucker. So let's go. Wow, I parked here beside police bike. See this momentum trucker. This is paste color, pink color and yellow color combination. And next one is a army tanker. So I'll try this one. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here this tanker. See this tanker, this is yellow color, green color and black color combination tanker. And next one is a 3D DS Tarzan car. So I'll try this one. Wow, I parked here besides army tanker. See this 3DS Tarzan car? This is yellow color, white color, silver color, pink color, blue color and black color combination. Wow. And next one is a green company bus. So let's go. Wow, friends. I parked here beside 3DDS Tarzan car. See this green bus? This is yellow color and black color combination. And there is many stickers. See, this is Benton sticker. Wow. And next one is the army jeep. So I will try this one also. Wow. I will park here besides green bus. See this? This is very nice color combination. There is black color, gray color, green color and white color combination also. And that is the last one. This last one is under construction vehicle dump truck. So I will try this one also. Wow, I reached my parking place, so I parked here. See this under construction vehicle? This is red color, blue color and black color combination also. See friends, all of my vehicles are parked here. Wow. So I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.